All right, welcome back. This is Muzi Syed, owner of Certified Credit Consultants and DIY Credit Help. Let's talk about the length of payment history. It's 15% of your credit score. And frankly, there's not a whole lot we can do as a credit repair company there. If you are older, you're going to have a long payment history. If you're younger, of course, out of college, you're not going to have a very long payment history. What I did with my kids when they were in high school, I added them on my credit cards, basically made them authorized users, which is called piggybacking. So when they graduated from college after 6 years, they had excellent payment history, very good credit utilization because of me, and they had very high credit scores. My kids' scores are in the 800s because of that. So as I mentioned, there's not a whole lot you can do except like piggybacking your kids or yourself, piggybacking on someone who's had a long payment history, long length of payment history or length of credit. One thing I must tell everyone, please get your consumer disclosure from LexisNexis. You'll be surprised at what's in there. Go to lexisnexis.com and ask for your consumer disclosure. They're going to send it to you via email. They used to send it via in the mail. Used to be at least a couple of big, huge packets of, depending on how old you are. It has everything in it. Things that you don't know about. Every traffic ticket you got, every old phone number, every address you ever lived at. And do take a look at it. There are so many inaccuracies in those also. So that's my suggestion. Going back to length of credit. As I said, the only way you can do that is piggyback with someone if you're younger. If you're older, of course, you're going to have a long payment history. I think I have about 25 years of payment history, so that basically the bureaus look at it, and I might have missed a payment 20 years ago. It might be there, but overall it doesn't matter. After such a long time, your missed payment stops affecting you after 3 or 4 years. One thing a lot of credit repair organizations, unscrupulous ones, do is offer trade lines to people. Trade lines are basically piggybacking on someone's credit card or becoming an authorized user, except that they're strangers, you don't know them. And these companies will charge you, for a $10,000 credit limit, they might charge you $1,000. I don't do that at all. I don't want to do anything that may or may not be legal. It's a very shady thing. Some say it's okay, it's legal. Some say it's illegal. I don't want to get into something that's controversial. But I suggest that you don't do it. It's up to you. You can get it from these companies if you want. That will increase the length of payment history for you. But then that's your choice. Again, this is Muzi Syed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook pages, Certified Credit Consultants and DIY Credit Help. Email me so I can add you to the private Facebook group, Credit Education, so you can learn more. Till next time.